Monday, May 24th, 2021. Let's get started. Hi guys. Today I'm simply painting the plywood out here. I already got stuff set up and moved out the way for you. I'm just painting this area here. Nothing special. Light work today. All the plywood, all the white you see. What do you guys think of the rose bushes so far? Looks like they're growing. I hope this is how they're supposed to look, or I might be in some trouble. Anyway, so I'm just going to take care of everything out here. All the plywood all the way around, all the way over here. Just going to give it a fresh coat. It's going to look great. I didn't power wash the back like I did the front. So I'm just taking this masonry brush and wiping away all the dust. No matter how small the task is, there's always something. Now I have to figure out how I'm going to connect the downspout to the wood again. Meanwhile, I'll simply take the brush and continue to wipe down the wood from here all the way to the other side. At least I was able to establish new holes for those screws and line up the hole on the downspout and the bracket. You know what? Instead of starting here, I think I'll start on the other side and then work my way back to this end. An easier way to do this would be to outline this area with paint, like a box, and then fill it in. Don't forget the Husky 24-inch paint shield. You gotta get one. I don't know if you can see the outline. The sun is making it a little difficult, but it's there. This makes it a whole lot easier to paint. So this is just like a box, and like I said, I'll fill it in with the 9-inch. Okay, this particular box is done, and I'll just use the same method all the way down until I'm finished. Although I didn't pick a great time to paint, it's really hot. I recommend you put your mulch down after you do it to avoid spilling it or splashing it on your new mulch. See the difference? It's like night and day. Amazing what a coat of paint can do. I'm gonna get that ant. Just about finished. I'll get up here next. All the studs. I won't touch the steps or the other railing. All along this area. Looks good. Very nice. Looks a whole lot different all the way around, especially over here. That's it. I know it wasn't much, but all of this is for when I lay down the mulch. The white paint is really going to help it pop. Well, you know the motto. Take care of your families. Take care of your bodies. Take care of your lawns too. Bye.